Hey guys, today I'm sharing a weight loss recipe and you can have this recipe in breakfast, lunch or dinner, and it is very yummy and healthier option in summers because summers already came and eating heavy thing is very bad idea these days. So yeah, let's get into the video. So all you had sprouts all time, but you can make chilla out of sprouts. So I'm using sprouts here. I have soaked moong dal overnight and leaving it for 2 days, and you can see I'm using sprouts in a mixie. After that, use ginger, adding little bit of ginger and 2 chilies. You can select chili of your choice. If you want more spicy, you can add more chilies. After that, I am using 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Now mix it in a mixer grinder, adding a little bit of water. Now I have grinded it, taking it out in a bowl. Now here I am adding some chopped tomatoes and onions. These are finely chopped. You can add more things like capsicum, cucumber. Now after that I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan. Besan works as a binding agent. Now here I have added wheat flour also, 1 tablespoon. This is completely optional. You can add or you can leave it. Now in this I am adding sabji masala, a pinch of sabji masala only. Baking soda, but before that I am adding salt as per taste. Now mix it well. At last I am adding baking soda. Only pinch of baking soda, and this is also an optional. Now mixing it well. Our batter is complete. Now moving on to the stove. So here I have placed pan. This is dosa tawa. Grease it with the refined oil, or if you want to grease it with the ghee, you can. Now process starts. Now I am taking some batter. Making it very easy, and you can instantly make it in breakfast. I am making it in a low flame. Now wait for a minute. It's time to flip it. So here I am using a wooden spatula. Check whether it's done on one side, and after that gently flip it. Now it's perfectly done on one side, and wait for 1-2 minutes more. Now you can see that our chilla is completely cooked, and I am taking it out in a plate. Serve it hot, and it is very yummy dish. So in summers this is a very healthier option. Now with the same process I am making all the chillas one by one. So if you enjoyed the recipe, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Till then, bye bye.